Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a get ready with me, hence the robe.
While my hair looks greasy, I promise you it is just wet.
First I'm going to prime with my Bobbi Brown face base and my Master Prime from Maybelline. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing, this is the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation and the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and I'm gonna mix them. A makeup sponge. My dog tore up my real one, so we're using what kids nowadays may call dank.
Stop it. Get some help.
Gonna have to work, Karen. Oh my gosh, can you imagine watching this video and your name's Karen? You're probably like, what? So next I'm just gonna take this Wet n Wild Cover It concealer and cover all my imperfections. Applies over whole face. Then I'm just gonna apply, this is my Naked Skin Urban Decay color correcting concealer in a peach, and I'm gonna apply that under my eyes. This is a staple. A staple. I'm gonna do my brows off camera, and then I'll be back.
An embarrassing amount of time later.
I can tell you now, my eyebrows have good and bad days, and today is not a good day. So my other beauty blender is pretty much checked out from here. So we have her, which will guide us through the rest of the tutorial. So I'm just gonna take this and whoa, whoa, whoa. So next for concealer, I'm gonna use two different ColourPop ones. This one is actually white, and I'm gonna use this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I'm actually gonna take the white concealer and put that in between my eyes, like so. And we're going to attempt to blend it out with this sponge here. So next I'm going to cream contour because I can't powder contour. And I'm going to be using the Pixie contour stick with this Shiseido foundation brush. Before I blend that in, I'm also going to use the NARS foundation stick, and this is in Macao, and I'm going to use that to warm up my face. I'm just going to put it in places where I usually bronze. And then, like I said, I'm just going to take the Shiseido brush to blend it in. So after that is all blended in, I'm going to be taking this Shiseido cream blush in the color Sonia 1 and an angled fluffy brush and putting that on my cheeks. So next I'm going to set my face with the Pretty Vulgar the Powder Room translucent powder. This is my favorite powder of all time. It makes my face look airbrushed. And I apply it with a makeup sponge. Now I do bake with this powder. Now while that sets, I'm going to be taking my CoverGirl Chocoholic Contour Palette with this NARS flat brush thing. And I'm kind of going to draw that back from my ear. I'm also gonna take this Shiseido, these don't have names, but this Shiseido angled fluffy brush and take the same contour powder, hygienic, and contour the small areas of my face, including my nose. So to actually trim up my contour, I'm going to be using the Dermablend loose setting powder, and this is white, so it'll make it a little bit more sharp. So while I'm waiting on that to set, I'm going to bronze up my face. To do that, I'm going to be using the NARS Laguna bronzer. And I'm gonna just go in. Being that we're in the heart of winter, I am about as white as paper, and it's just not a good look on me, so. So I'm now going to wipe off the bake from under my eyes and on the sides of my nose. As I said, I am obsessed with blush, so I'm going to take the Frat Boy blush from the Balm Cosmetics on just like a little cute angled, it's not angled at all, brush. So next I'm going to set my face with the MAC Fix Plus, and because it is winter and I want to keep my skin hydrated, I'm using the Derma E Hydrating Mist. I'm also going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. So for highlighter, I'm going to take this Shiseido Solar 02 highlighter, which has been my favorite recently. Shiseido is really slept on. And I kind of just apply it all over my face to look like I'm sweating. So not always, but most of the time I'll go for lashes. And these are the Lilly lashes in Miami. I usually just wear whatever I have in front. While I'm waiting for my lashes to get tacky, the glue to get tacky, I'm going to take some chapstick and do my lips. I'm always applying concealer to my lips before I put lipstick on because I wear very bright, light shades of nude. And for lip liner, I'm going to be using this ColourPop liner in BFF2. And then on the inside, I'm going to be using Quickie by ColourPop. And then if I want my lips to be a little brighter, I'm going to be using the Please Ignore the Dog. I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetic Liquid Lip Linen in Martha. And I just applied that on the very center of my lips, and I'm going to blend it with my finger. And then I'm going to apply my lashes. And that's kind of it for my everyday makeup tutorial. If you guys like the video, please hit the thumbs up, and if you like me, please subscribe. I'm going to be posting more videos soon. Just comment down below what you want to see. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.